Today, we're sewing this adorable wristlet keychain. To make one keychain, you'll need a piece of cotton fabric that measures 3 inches by 11 inches. You'll also need a strip of interfacing the same size, a swivel clasp hook with a D-ring, and matching thread. Start by placing your interfacing on the wrong side of your main fabric and fuse it in place with an iron. Next, we're marking the center of the strip with a heat erasable marker. With the wrong side facing up, fold one long edge in toward the center and press. Then fold the other long edge in to meet it and press again. After that, fold the entire strip in half lengthwise so the raw edges are enclosed inside. Give it one more press to keep everything crisp and even. Pin or clip to hold in place. Next, we're going to slide the keychain hardware on and shape the fabric into a loop. Take your folded strip and bring the 2 short ends together. Unfold the ends to match right sides together. Pin or clip in place. Now sew straight across the short ends using a 1/4 inch seam allowance to secure them together. Once that seam is sewn and you have trimmed the seam allowance, you can fold the strip back into its original folded position, making sure the raw edges are tucked inside and everything is lying flat. If needed, you can press again with an iron. Now we are ready for top stitching along both long edges to secure the layers and give it that finished look. Top stitch along both long edges, sewing with a 1/8 inch seam allowance. This secures all the layers and gives your keychain a clean, professional finish. Next, fold the entire loop in half so the keychain hardware is lined up with the short seam in the fabric. Make sure the fabric is laying flat, pin or clip in place. Top stitch straight across the width of the fabric as close as you can to the hardware. Be careful to not hit the hardware as this can break the needle or machine. And that's it. You now have a sturdy, stylish wristlet that's perfect for everyday use.